Hello children, today we are going to learn class 4 science lesson number 10 force, work and energy. Today we are going to see the explanation about the work. What is mean by work? Okay, we have to see that. Let us see that. Open page number 85 children. Okay, last class we learned the types of force. What is mean by force and types of a force? There are three types of a force are there: gravitational force, mechanical force and a frictional force. Now we are going to see the work. What is mean by work? We have to see that about that. What is a work? Work is said to be done when force is applied on a body to make it move through distance. Work means what? The force is applied on the body, any body. Now you take the pencil, okay? Now I am applying the force. I am holding this and I am keeping from the one place to the another place. Now this is a distance. Got it? Now pencil is here. Okay, your pencil is here. Now work is said to be done when force is applied on a body to make it move through the distance. Okay, what is the mean by this definition? Now this is a body, something. Now I am applying the force from keep to one place to here. Okay, here I will mark. Okay, here I will keep this pencil. Now I did work. I am keeping one place to another, and in between this is known as a distance. That is known as a work. Work done can be calculated by the following formula. The work is calculated by the following formula. Work done is equal to force applied on an object into distance moved by the object. Now this is the distance moved by the object. From that you have to do the multiplication. Then we can get the work done. When the work is difficult to do with our hands, means heavy things, loads, we can't easily. How I pencil easily I lifted from the one place to another. I can lift like this way heavy things. No children. Okay, I can't lift this heavy things. Machines help us to do our work faster and with the less effort. Now machines are there. Bulldozer. It will help to keep the heavy loads from the one place to the another place. Change the direction of a force used and do work with a less force. Now by the machines will do the work fast and easier. Yes or no? And will not waste too much time also, and too much energy also will not waste by the machines. Some of these simple machines are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined planes, screw and wedges. These are some types of machines are there that we have to see. Lever. A lever is a simple machine used to lift the weight. The lever, it will be simple machine. It will used to lift the weight. Scissor and bottle openers are the example of levers. It is a rod or bar that rest on turning points. Now you can tear the clothes by this scissor. You can tear the clothes nicely. Now next, pulley. P-U-L-L-Y. A pulley is made up of a wheel and a rope. The rope is fits on the groove of the wheel. On a part of the rope is attached to the load when we pulled on the side of a pulley. Now this what? One side of the rope it will be the load and one side will catch that, and whenever you are pulling the load will come up. Now you can see here like this way one well will be there. Nowadays you can't able to see, but in a villages still it is available. Now this is a well. In this water will be there. Then water, how you are taking? You will send through this rope this bucket down. Okay, then bucket it will fill of water. Then one end you're tied for the bucket, then one more end it is in your hand. Whenever you are pulling that, then the bucket will come inside. Whenever you are leaving, bucket will come up, and whenever you are leaving the rope slowly, the bucket will go down. Okay. Villagers are used pulley to draw water from the wells. Pulley force it is used for in a villages. Next, inclined planes. In an inclined plane is a flat surface. It is a flat surface that is higher at one end. It is used to move an object to a lower or higher place. We require less energy and force to move object with the inclined plane. For example, ramp, slides and a slant road. Now see there, this is a slides. Now for this, you sat here means easily you will come down. Okay. If you are throwing your ball, it will come easily down. Okay. Heavier object means you pushed from this side means it will come directly down. This is known as a inclined plane. Easily the heavy things we can move these heavy things, okay, from the one place to another. I hope you understood this. Okay. Next, wheel and axle we'll learn in a next class, children.